Everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and as you guys can see by the title, I am back today with, of course, another LUVME hair wig review. So as you guys can see, I have this cute shaggy layered wig going on, okay? And I will definitely give you guys some more details about this wig. She is a cutie pie, and I definitely want to give you guys the tea on her. So if you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you guys the construction of the cap, then I will give you guys some more details about the wig, and then finally, I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. Now, as usual, if you are familiar with me and LUVME hair, I do work with them a lot, so I do have a discount code for you to use at checkout to save you 25%. So make sure you guys check the description box below where I will leave all the details concerning this wig along with my discount code. I will leave it in the comments down below. It will be pinned, and then of course towards the end of this video I will have it on the screen for you guys as well. So if you are interested in hearing all about this cute shaggy wig from LUVME hair, then keep watching.
Baby, you're the greatest of all time, the greatest. So would you leave the pain? You're still on my mind. I ain't seen your ass in a couple months, but if you want it, baby, you can get your some. And all that conflict we can work out. So go ahead, put this good in your mouth. What you about? You don't need to impose. You're sinking to my body like a chicken post. Your friends will have me know. Yeah, baby, you're the greatest of all time, the greatest. So won't you ever mind? You're still on my mind. Baby, you love it. 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 Baby, I tell you I tell you
saw from the previous clip, this wig has 4 combs. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the center front, and 1 in the back. It also has an adjustable strap, and it has an elastic band. Now this is a lace closure wig. I will get into some more details about this wig very soon, but this is a 4x4 lace closure wig. So you guys did see me cut the lace off. You can see my hairline right now. Sometimes I have that issue with glueless wigs. But you know, it's whatever. I could easily just lay some baby hairs down, but that is not important, okay? So let's go ahead and get into some more details about this wig. All right, so again, this is from LUVME Hair. This is their shaggy layered cut glueless 4x4 closure wig with side swept bangs. and it retails for $189.90. Now, of course, if you do not want to pay full price, you can use Afterpay or Zip, which will divide your payment into 4 payments of $47.48. Now, product details: super easy to maintain, keep shape after wash, face framing, layered cut, shaggy and relaxed style, easy to install and beginner friendly, glueless and protective. Now, this wig is 12 inches. It's 100% virgin hair from one donor. It can last up to 1 year. The density is 150%. Color is natural black. You can dye it. Straps are adjustable. There's 4 combs, like I stated, an elastic band. It is glueless, so you can wear her glueless. The lace area is 4x4 and the lace is Swiss medium brown. So when I had put the wig on, I had put both combs in and it was pretty snugged, okay? That's what I really like about most glueless wigs, is that it's still able, it's snug. So you don't really have to do much, okay? Sometimes with glueless wigs, you gotta adjust the straps and all that, or adjust the elastic band. I did not have to do any of that. I just put the combs in. Once I put the combs in, it was snugged and I cut off the lace, okay? Now, I had to get off camera to finish styling it a little bit more, but I did want to make sure that I showed you guys, my process of flat ironing it and putting some more body into the wig, because it has been in the bag for a while. So I kind of just, put some body into the side swept bang, put some over here as well. I did flat iron it a little bit and kind of bumped it up a little bit, just to, like I said, just to add that volume back in there and all that stuff. But this is how she's looking. She is really, really cute. Like I said, you can see my hairline right now. I tried my best to adjust her, but I don't want it too much on my forehead and make me look crazy. Right here, you can still see the lace a little bit, but that's fine. It's a glueless wig, hide it as best as you can. But she is really cute. I really do like the side swept bang. That is really cute. Really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all around. So I'm trying to adjust her like I need to. Okay. So it's like flipping over here. That's nothing that you can't fix, honestly. But I'm just trying to get her back in, trying to get her back in place. Hold on. All right, so this is the best that I can do for now, but this is how she looks in the front, the side, the back. I want to make sure you guys see enough hair in the back. Sometimes I don't realize that I'm not showing enough. So this is how she looks in the back once again. And then the side, this is where the side swept bang is at. Yeah, she is really, really cute. She is giving corporate job, real classy. She's giving it. She is really, really, really cute. I'm gonna have to play with her some more and get this situated before I take my pictures. But yeah, she is cute. So I do want to thank LUVME Hair for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it. And of course, you guys will see more work with me and LUVME Hair soon. So of course, I do want to thank LUVME Hair for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it. And of course, as you guys know, I work with LUVME Hair a lot. So you guys will be seeing some more videos with me and LUVME Hair wigs very, very soon. But you guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig, as far as the texture, the length, the shape, how are you liking the shaggy layered cut? Is this your type of wig? All that good stuff. Y'all know the drill, okay? As promised, I do have a code for you guys to use at checkout. It's the same code. It has not changed at all. And the code is my name, Lindsay. So capital L, lowercase I-N-D, LUVME. So once again, make sure you put that in a discount code little box at checkout so you can get that 25% off. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you're not missing new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.
Baby, baby,